Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and right behind me we got an F10 M5 guys. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and give the video a thumbs up so we can keep on pumping out content for you guys. And unfortunately in this video, kind of sucks, our buddy Donny, if you remember Donny from the previous episode, he had this M5 and he wrecked it a little bit trying to whip it. He came in a little too hot trying to whip it. He spun out and lightly tapped the front end. So it's very light damage. I'm gonna take care of him, shoot it up real quick, but let's go and show you the damage.
Yeah, it was just a little light fender bender, as you can tell.
So what did you do? Explain out what you were doing, dude. Skirt! Boom!
That's real fast.
Hey, but it's all good. We're gonna take care of him.
That's right. She'll be up and running next week.
Hey, next video, this thing is gonna be back on the road and ready to go.
We're gonna rip it too.
You're gonna whip it on the video?
Whip
You're gonna get better?
Yup.
Hey, at least it wasn't bad, dude. Fender. No. Did you have to get a new headlight or no?
Yeah, I bought a new headlight.
Ah, well, at least no frame damage, literally.
Yeah, no frame
So,
damage. No
coolers busted, nothing like that. Did you just put these on?
Yeah.
After you wrecked it?
Yep. More power, Bubba. This right here is the reason why I wrecked.
Oh, dang. You shredded them already?
No, it came like that, actually.
All right, Donnie, let's get a little cold start action over here. Dang, no lights on the dash except that headlight, and that's about it. No. Dang, no check engine?
No, we don't do that.
Dang.
We maintain her.
Yeah. When did you get the muffler delete done, Don?
Came like it.
You bought it with the muffler delete?
Yup.
Yeah. Dang. Carbon fiber. What else?
We're gonna do full Gentani exhaust on her though next week though,
Yeah.
for sure.
Are you gonna do tune and downpipes?
Yeah.
All right, it's nice and warmed up. Give it some juice. Dang. Sounds good.
It does.
Hey, dude, next week, dude. Video coming soon.
That's right.
All right, guys, so the parts are already at my shop, so I'm gonna sand them down, paint them, and then hopefully next week we'll slap them on. So I'm gonna show you how I prep and paint the parts. And then next week's video, we're gonna put it on this car, and hopefully Donnie will show us how he learned how to slide it a little better. All right, guys, I'm doing the M5 bumper right now, and check it out. Man, Donnie got this nasty bumper, had to repair the whole thing. It's been painted like multiple times, and it was cracking everywhere, but I got it all sanded out smooth. Primed it, sanded one more time, and it's looking good. All right, guys, so the bumper is prepped, ready to go. We got the fender over here, ready to go, sanded. Right now I'm gonna wax and grease remove it, shoot a coat of sealer on it, and then start shooting some paint. We got Tim right here. Yeah. He's waxing, greasing Donnie's parts. Quick shout out to X-Prime Professional Coatings. Guys, so before we end off today's video, I've actually been to a couple car shows, and I'm gonna insert those clips right now for you guys, so it's pretty cool. Watch it, hopefully you enjoy it, and leave a like. All right, guys, early morning, we're heading out to Charlotte for Lamborghini Charlotte Cars and Coffee.
Just pulled up to Lamborghini Charlotte, check out these cars.
Which one do you like more?
From these two?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, the SV?
I like the back here, but the front looks kind of funny.
Yeah. This thing is nice. Let's see what else they got. They got a few more Urises up in the front. Man, perfect.
Yeah, look at this.
It's like a blue metallic, but it looks black. It's sick. Alright guys, this is our local car show in Inman. Got a bunch of cool cars, I'll show you all around. Guys, so we just came to Gatlinburg and the show got canceled, but there's still some cool cars around, so I'm gonna show it. We got a Supra, NSX, another Supra, a Type R, and another Supra. We got some NSXs. Oh my gosh. Wow. Got an Evo. I think this is a Civic Type R JDM. It's left-hand drive. Maybe it's a conversion. And we got one of my favorites, the S2000.
Y'all know? Did the
What?
would the hood just come like this?
I think it's just not finished.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. It's carbon fiber. It's it's lightweight material.
Right.
Yeah,
So
so-
you order it like that?
Yeah, but sometimes people paint them, like the car over there. It's got a little bit exposed, but they painted the rest. Yeah, but it's lightweight. Instead of metal, it's carbon fiber.
So that's better for speed.
Yeah, it's lighter so the car can have less weight on it.
Right.
So it moves faster.
Yeah.
Right. Makes sense.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank